이 남성은 겨울을 준비하기 위해 장작을 쌓아뒀습니다. 그런데 갑자기 주 공무원이 단속을 나왔습니다. 그가 무허가로 사업을 운영하고 있다고 판단했고 결국 벌금까지 부과될 상황에 놓이게 됩니다.
I put up 8 cord. It's what I always put up for the house. This guy Mark came out, said because I'm over the 5 cord limit, I'm an unlicensed timber operation. I don't even have a truck to sell wood if I wanted to. It's just my wood pile.
We see anything over 5 cords, it's flagged for commercial scale volume for the ordinance. We're monitoring for pest transport and commercial licensing. Without a business permit on file, the citation is a standard compliance measure.
I'm 62 years old. I got no time for games. I'm not selling it, I'm burning it. 8 cord is what it takes for winter. I don't know why I'm sitting here talking about it.
Mr. Nixon, I'm sure you're just trying to be thorough, but the state didn't write that code so you could penalize a man for having a wood pile. There's no evidence of a business here. It's just his wood. Dismissed. Go find something productive to do with your time.